Down.
Nope. Nope. No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby. You're a baby. You're a baby.
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs? Hey!
You're getting a bath. Yeah, you are. Put him up. Did I say bang? Put him up. Put him up. Put him up. Put them up. Boop. Yeah? Juno. Juno. Hey. 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 Shh. Juno, I can't. Please open. Thank you. You're so pretty.
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa, swinging side to side, and I'm killing that. Whoa,
I'm in the ghetto. I'm sorry. He doesn't like me.
Do you want a bitch? Down, down. Sit. Lay down. Up. Speak. Who's a good boy? Lay down. Up. Up, up. Good boy. Stay. Stay. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8, 2 3/4, 2 3/6. How long can you stay there for? Are you drooling? Do you want that bitch? I bet you do. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, good boy.
You know, it makes me really sad that people hate on others for using certain voices with their dogs. Because the thing is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. Unless I start talking like this, then he knows that I'm talking to.
damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Whoa, I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Whoa, her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Whoa,
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?